What's your name?
My name is Lily.
Lily. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Alright. And Lily, how are you today?
I'm happy.
Alright. So, Lily, today we have speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, let's begin. So we start with the numbers. Can you tell me, Lily, what number is it?
It's number 2.
This one.
It's number 3.
This.
It's number 8. It's number 10. It's number 5.
Good. And this one.
It's number 7.
Alright. Can you tell me what color is number 4? What color is it?
It's yellow.
Very good. And what color is number 6?
It's pink.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's pink or red. Is it pink or red?
Pink black.
Okay, alright. And how about number 10? What color is it?
It's white and black.
Yeah, it's like white and black outside. Alright, good job. Let's move. Can you tell me, Lily, how many apples are there?
Here are 5 apples.
Good. And how many balls are there?
Here are 8 balls.
Good job. 8 balls, okay? Not ball. Balls. Good. You have to add S. Okay, and so Lily, can you tell me how old is he?
He is 9 years old.
And how old is she?
She is 3 years old.
Very good. So, let's talk about feelings. So, Lily, can you tell me how are you here?
I'm hungry.
And how are you here?
I'm cold.
And here?
I'm hot.
This one?
I'm scared.
And how are you here?
I'm tired.
Yeah, tired. Good job. Let's move. Okay, so can you tell me, Lily, how is he?
He is happy.
And how about her? How is she?
She is sick.
Good job. Okay, let's move to the phonics part. So, Lily, can you tell me what letter is it?
It's letter A.
A for?
Apple.
A for apple and
Apple and ant.
letter
Letter B.
B. B. Yeah.
B. Ball and bat.
Good job. Letter
Letter C. Cat and car.
car. Do you love cats, Lily?
Yes.
Okay. What letter is it?
It's letter D.
D for
No and red. Letter E. Elephant and
egg.
egg.
Good job. And last one, letter. What letter is it?
Letter E.
Sorry. What letter is it?
It's letter F.
F for?
Frog and fan.
Okay, alright. Very good job, Lily. Give me a high five. Well done. I'll see you later. Goodbye.